Research project Vacuum Cleaners in India, founded in 2016. Scope of the project: protect your family from diseases, save money on diseases, purchase power and health of folks improved, 1 crore jobs creation, economy, business, startups, entrepreneurs creation. Indoor air pollution: air inside car, house, schools and building regarded as indoor air. Indoor air inside house, spider, dust, insects cause air pollution and bacteria in air. Outside, on streets, food rest, garbage, drainage float, flying dust, animal rest, plastic waste and flowing rainwater through this would cause pollution. It carried with shoe sole into house or car. Indoor air pollutants 2 to 10 times more effective than outside air. Outside, vehicle and animal dirt. Dust and dirt transported through flying air, vehicle tires, rainwaters and our souls. This is transported to schools, colleges, public offices, theaters, etc. by all means. It enters into car through shoe soles. Spider and dust in house, ceiling, walls, sofa. Rubbing spider dust against wall with broomstick will displace it and spread all over the house. It creates polluted air inside house, shops, offices, colleges and boat. Above said dust enters into cars by foot sole, into car and vehicles, polluted air inside car. Shoe and slippers not allowed into house because everyone know about soles. They are very dirty. We do enter into car and leave this into the carpets. The dust in car with dirt and bacteria creates poisonous air, polluted air and atmosphere in car. For clean indoor air, vacuum cleaning needed. All cars and houses must be cleaned well with good sucking vacuum cleaners at least every week. Car and house vacuum cleaning. Stand in India. Why vacuum cleaners are not used? No awareness, no focus about weekly car cleaning. Available technology is not enough till 2017. Vacuum cleaners seen as floor cleaners in India and world market reports say till 2017. Maids in India clean floor with wet cloths, so no vacuum cleaner is needed. It can be estimated with infants, children and elderly sicknesses may cost up to 20,000 rupee a year due to these reasons for a family. Vacuum cleaners, bags, reusable bags, cyclones. First left picture shows a bag inside a vacuum cleaner and the second one cyclonic in the place of the bag. This picture is taken from the patent and bags must be thrown after filling. Reusage is limited. In the middle picture we see some other type of vacuum cleaner where it sucks easily and it is a simple type of a cyclonic vacuum cleaner. Multi-cyclonic vacuum cleaner is seen right side. For indoor air quality and pollution, please refer to Environmental Protection Agency. A website is given here. Videos. Vacuum cleaner types: good, better, best one. Electricity consumption and savings. If a 500 watt vacuum cleaner is selected other than 2500 watt vacuum cleaner, there is a consumption electricity price of around 4,000 rupees per year is estimated. Business and jobs. Have a look how vacuum cleaner sales of 15 lakh crores, 35,000 crores of filter sales every year, and 72,000 crores of rupee power consumption every year is increased. Roughly 1 crores plus jobs can be created. Purchase power increased per year is estimated roughly few lakh crores of rupees. Facebook page, group, LinkedIn profile. Have a look at this one. 200 billion euro business vacuum cleaners in India and abroad is a Facebook group. Please try to join it for future videos. And whatever your doubts you have, contact me per WhatsApp on the number. And it's a Paytm here, as it is a self-funded project, research project. Please try to donate if you can. Thank you very much and have a healthy and happy life.